Guangzhou Menarda Electrical Company Limited is established in 2012, which is specialized in the line of professional hair styling tools. Our main products include hair straighteners, hair curlers, hair dryers, hot air brush, hair clippers, and other related products which are well accepted by our customers all over the world. We're innovative and progressive researching and developing new products to keep up with the fashion trends of the world, equipping with advanced computers. CAD design is widely used mold machines and injection machines are applied. Our products are manufactured strictly according to ISO 9001 standard. We have IQC, IPQC, and FQC procedures to control the quality strictly from incoming raw materials to final products, including performance checking, appearance checking, function checking, and package checking. All products should be checked and tested so as to guarantee products are in good condition before exporting. We have attended global exhibitions, including Cosmoprof North America, Las Vegas, Cosmoprof Asia, Hong Kong, Intercharm Exhibition of Russia, and the Hair Brazil Exhibition, to display our newest advantageous products and communicate with clients worldwide. Our value is to provide quality product and best service to satisfy demands of our customers. Welcome OEM and ODM customers all over the world to cooperate with us to win the competitive market.